of a cell. The pizza dough, Pillsbury, is the cell wall or membrane. The pizza sauce is the cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance that stuff rolls around in. The tomato, see the little tomato? That's the nucleus. It tells the cell what to do. The shredded cheese is the endoplasmic reticuli. Now we're fixing to add the ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticuli is the passageways that moves the protein around, and the ribosomes make the protein. So, Chad, add the ribosomes. Here we go. We're adding ribosomes. Is it coming out? Very little. Open the other side. And go easy on it. Yeah. There's your ribosomes. And Chad doesn't want ribosomes on his half. So we're making a half and half pizza. So since we're doing that, I tell you what, Chad, here. Take another tomato. We're going to move our little tomato here.
And put it on your side?
Yeah, we're going to make him a half over here. And then put another little half over there for the other cell. Our cell's going to divide. Watch this. Oh, here, let me cut that in half for you. Alrighty. So now we have 2 cells. So now the next thing we're going to add is what? What comes next, Chad?
Green onions.
Okay, we're going to make 1/2 a plant cell. The half over here is the plant cell. This half. This half is an animal cell. So over here we're going to add the the chloroplasts for the plant cell. That's the part that makes the plant, that produces the chlorophyll to make plants green.
Doesn't the juice burn?
No. Different kind of pepper, sweetie. All right, that's plenty. That's plenty. That's plenty. Okay. There's our chloroplasts. We're going to spread them out some on this side so Chad doesn't choke on them. After the chloroplasts, we're going to add some black olives. These are the vacuoles. And the vacuoles are the like little storage tanks that hold water for the plant until it needs it. Or they can also be used to store waste until such time that the plant can get rid of it. We're having a bit of issue here with the can opener, apparently. There we go. I heard it pop that time. Okay, and open that up. And now pull out some of those black olives. Yes, you have to use your fingers. Pull them out and put them on top of our thing. Now, these are vascules. Now, vascules also are not always found in animal cells, but they are in plant cells. Spread them out, dear. You don't need to inundate the thing with them. Yeah. Do you want some on your animal half?
No.
Okay, once again, the animal half is being neglected because Chad doesn't like. He likes black olives. I don't know why he's avoiding these right now, but he does like black olives. Give me a couple more. I'm kind of trying to spread them out. Okay, okay. Oop, oop, oop. Okay, there's the black olives. Okay, now. So now, also, the last thing we're going to add is the mitochondria. And the mitochondria is what feeds the cells. It takes the energy that is brought in, the food and everything, and it transports it to food for the cells. So that's our pepperonis. So we're going to spread some pepperonis around. on here. And of course, we love pepperoni, so we're going to use lots of pepperoni. You don't like mushrooms, do you? Okay, and because Chad's animal side of the pizza doesn't have any ribosomes, it's going to be a hurting pizza. So just for effect, we're going to add a couple little pieces of mushroom, for his ribosomes. His ribosomes are attached to the endoscopic reticuli, or they're free floating. But either way, they produce protein, and cells need protein. So we're going to put a couple on here. Chad doesn't like mushrooms either, so I'll eat them for him, which is why we're only putting a couple on here. But, whoops, stuck to my finger. But we're going to throw a couple of them on there. He doesn't realize that they don't have any taste at all, really, once you've cooked them in the oven like this. But okay, there they are. And there is our completed cell. This half over here is a animal cell. It doesn't have what you call them, chloroplasts, and it doesn't have vesicles. So this side is the plant one, because it has chloroplasts to produce the chlorophyll and has vesicles to store the water. And so now we're going to pop it in the oven and bake it up nice and good. And then we're going to have lunch. So drool over our cells, because we're fixing to have a good eats.